Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this curly cues. As usual we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot we will make chain crochet stitches. So like I am making it for tutorial purpose, so I have made 30 chain crochet stitches. Depends on you, whatever you are making, take any number of chain crochet stitches. I am almost done with my chain crochet stitches. After that, now we will skip 2 stitches which are coming after a loop on the needle. Okay, we will skip those 2 stitches, and from third stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. If you people want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitches, link is already given in description. You can refer that tutorial video. It is with written instruction, quite slow, very simply explained. And here also I am telling you bits slow only to understand it well. Okay, so in every single stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches. Okay, and this we are going to do till our last stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show it to you. Those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot. Thanks for helping me. And those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I'll request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share also. And I'm coming up with lots of videos, crochet tutorial videos, and as you know, all my videos are with written instructions and quite simply explained. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Okay, I'll just complete it and I'll show it to you. See, after completing our stitches, this is how it looks. It automatically gets spiraled up in clockwise direction as we go on making those 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, but that is back side of the stitch, so we have to do it like we have to spiral it in anti-clockwise direction. So front side of the stitch comes in front. So this is how we spiral it with our hand in anti-clockwise direction. So this is how our curly cues are made, spirals are made. They are used in many purposes like jellyfish legs and octopus legs to hang something. Okay, so please subscribe YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha.